हेलो, वेलकम, नमस्कार। और आज हम आ गए हैं एक और नए एपिसोड में, जिसमें हम बात करने वाले हैं मैम से, जो हमें बताएंगी कि लैंड फार्मिंग जैसी चीज़ को ऑर्गेनिक तरीके से कैसे कर सकते हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर स्पेयरिंग टाइम टुडे. So firstly, I can see a lot of vegetables and a lot of greenery here. So I would really like to know, what all vegetables have you grown here?
So this is my winter beds. Here you can see all the vegetables that are grown in winter in Jaipur, Rajasthan. I've tried to cover most of them. So
Alright.
let us start from the lady's finger you're seeing right there is a crop which I had sown in the rainy season, but it's still continuing to give me fruit, so I've not removed them. Then you can see some beautiful tomatoes here. I have about 6 beds of tomatoes. Then you can see cabbage, bok choy, celery. There's some capsicums coming up, carrots and spinach. And likewise I have many more exotic. I have beetroot, corncob, lettuce, 2 varieties of lettuce, beans. I have the typical daily vegetables like radish and carrots and potatoes and ginger. So that's it. I enjoy growing. This is it.
So I can very well see that ma'am doesn't need to go to the market at all.
Definitely.
So ma'am, what did you face any kind of failure when it was?
So
the
I
different season?
started this. I came in contact with the Living Greens. I'm working with him for last 8-9 months. We started with, this was a barren land, as you can see a small bit I have here in the heart of the city. We started with plowing, then we decided to make rows. Anyways, for my house, for my family, I have abundance and enough. I share some with my friends as well. And in the rainy season, I had crops like bitter gourd, ridge gourd, lauki and lady's finger, a few vegetables like this, but in which I think only one failure I had was the ridge gourd. The rest of my crops were abundance. I got tired sharing with my drivers, with my servants. I used to give and distribute to everybody. Ghar le jao, sabzi banao. Yeah, so that was also a pleasure. Each and every servant was very happy and full.
So ma'am, like there were different seasons, and there was a hailstorm right in the middle of the change of season. So
Yes.
was there any harsh effect on the crop because
Yes,
of that?
the tender crops like coriander, spinach and my methi, fenugreek, they had a little problem. They were little destroyed and damaged. You can also see a little bit of celery and things. I got delayed because of which, because of the rains also we had,
Yeah.
hailstorm and rains. So I got a little delayed, but I think they are picking up very well now.
All right. So ma'am, overall, how do you feel that, was there a difference in the taste when it comes to the taste of the vegetables?
Definitely. Big difference, and more than the difference, I know personally the health that I'm seeing, the hazards that are happening with the vegetables we eat from the market, with all injections, pesticides for the color, for the, I don't know, for the size. I am very happy with what I'm eating. It's very healthy. Touch wood, we are not falling ill in the family. And more than the taste and thing, the happiness of growing what you're eating, that pleasure, I am totally enjoying it. I am really loving it.
And that's beautiful.
Beautiful.
So ma'am, lastly, would you like to give a message to our viewers?
Yes, one message I would like to say is, even if you don't have a big land, buy a small piece, maybe in your terrace. You can do anywhere. Try to grow your own vegetables. Once we do that, the farmers will realize that they cannot play with our lives, they cannot play with our health. We can grow our own crop.